my fellow foolish mortal, and welcome once again to the Scare Factor. We have returned to Malice Manor here in Clarksville, Indiana, but this is no ordinary trip through this haunt. We are here in July, and this is their Summer SLAYcation event. But not to worry, there's still plenty of scares to be had. Lord Rancor is out on vacation, so all the minions in here are having their own little vacation inside. That being said, we have no idea what to expect inside of here. So without further ado, let's get in here and get some summertime scares.
They said I had to do this. Like, Lindsay said it had to be me. Why? They said I had to knock that. No! Why? Why? Well, thank you. I've been laid today.
You just got laid.
Yes, thank God. Oh, there's a goat. That's
God. What is it?
I was worried about you. I was afraid you wouldn't be able to make our little soiree tonight.
Okay.
Sit, make yourself comfortable. Sit.
Okay.
No, sit.
Okay.
I am Eliza. I am your genial ghostess with the mostest tonight. It is my pleasure to welcome you to Malice Manor. The lord of the manor is off to parts unknown. Something about collecting cursed artifacts for his little collection. Blah, blah, blah.
As one does.
Do you like barbecue, my dear?
Yeah, as long as I'm not it.
I don't know. I dare say you underestimate the fine flavor you will provide to our festivities tonight. But, you know, I've been keeping the other guests way too long. As I said, they are simply dying to receive you, and we mustn't keep them waiting.
Okay.
No. I told you. I'm sorry.
It's bad. This is bad. It's bad. It's real bad.
Time to mingle with the other guests.
Oh God, I can't get up. I
Try to turn around in the fire, darlings. We like our meat fully cooked.
Turn around. Yeah. Okay. We gotta
Turn around.
Turn
Get a
around
little
in the
rotisserie action.
Fire. Is that a possum? That is a possum. It's a possum.
It is a possum.
It's a possum man.
Oh, that was really good.
Can we go that way?
We are not a trash can or roadkill or anything of the sort. Okay. I don't think he was wondering.
No.
We're gonna go. He bites! He bites!
Me say no.
No, thank you. Are you sure? I'm pretty sure.
There's something wrong with your water.
Oh God. Oh, I don't know. Ow! No, doesn't smell good at all. Oh God, there's blood in the sink.
Cool. Oh, that's gonna move.
Oh, I don't know. I've never seen it before. I don't know. Surely to God, it's not
Please
gonna
don't
move.
make me pee in my pants.
Oh God, is that real? No. That's real.
Georgie! Please play with Georgie, please!
No.
Hi, Georgie. Oh God.
Hi.
Uh-oh, what do we got here? Oh, he's looking for body parts.
Have you ever thought about being clothing?
All the time.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful.
Nope.
I'll come back.
We'll go this way.
You do
Maybe.
that.
There are butts. Yes.
Butts.
This is
What is it farted?
that's the wind tunnel.
It is.
No. I don't like it.
I know, I don't either. There's a Hawaiian back there. Oh, this looks freaking fabulous.
Oh man. Oh God.
What in the world?
Oh,
Okay.
Oh God.
I don't know what this means.
I'm pretty sure she's cursing us.
Back at you. Oh, what do you got there? No, I don't see a car.
I parked my car here 30 minutes ago, and now it's gone.
This is not a place to park a
You've been
car.
drinking.
Probably took it.
Oh God, I don't know how to drive.
You just broke my bubble gum.
Oh no, it wasn't me.
Broke it.
It was not me.
There it is. There's that scream I like to hear.
Yeah.
Now we're here to party with Seamus Archbishop. Sadly now, they didn't teach me how to play this thing, so I'm just beating it around like that and whatnot. You know, me dad Ballard, he's not a very good guy. You know, he kept me in the basement all Got you through, that's fantastic.
Nice coconuts, by the way.
These are the greatest coconuts, except this right one here. This one realizes it's a party breast, so keep moving on out.
I love it.
Oh, what you got there? That looks
I don't think that
fresh.
goes there.
That looks fresh.
It does.
So does that.
I was chilling. I've had coffee.
We're chilling, yeah?
My name's TT. What's your name?
Nora.
Your favorite food?
Chili. Chili.
Chili. I bet I can make you some real nice chili. How does that sound?
Sure. Oh, God.
Both smell real nice.
Okay.
There's more of them.
Okay. They're gone, right? Nope. I still see one. What the fudge?
You see that one there?
Nope. No, I did not. Oh my God! There's a person.
What is it? Oh, he's way up there. You gotta go under.
Can't touch me. It looked like a spider crouched up in there.
You're saying you've met Bernice.
Bernice?
Yes, Bernice.
Bernice don't look like she's doing too
My
good.
love, a girl.
Oh no.
Oh, yes. Oh, yes.
What do you say?
So aggressive.
Hey, you throwing things at me. I don't know about you. I don't know. Okay, all right. I didn't do it.
It's a big shark. We shall name him Sushi.
We shall shoot.
What are you doing on my ship?
I'm trying to
What are you
find.
talking about? This is our ship.
You know, I would have made you walk the plank here.
No, this is our ship now. You're gonna walk the plank.
Oh, Tyler.
Oh my.
Oh,
How
you're
about
going
you
that
guys
way?
go through there?
We'll go through here.
Yeah, we'll take the dry cycle. Oh God. Tammy's got it.
It's best to walk back.
Yeah, go backwards. Where'd you go? Caw!
Oh my God.
There's Tammy.
Okay, where's Tyler? Oh, he's out there.
I'm moist now.
Tammy, you've got a growth on you there.
Hey, how we doing tonight?
We're great.
A little bubbly there.
We're clean.
That's good. Y'all clean. Y'all want something to drink?
I would love something to drink.
Come over a little bit now. Come on now. You want it dry or you want it wet?
He's stuck under the car. What'd you do, Tammy?
I stepped on his toe. It's every man for himself.
All right. Oh, it's lightning in a cave. How does that work?
I don't know. Oh, what is it? Oh,
It was a premature.
somebody come out of the shadows. Okay.
Nora, where'd she go?
I don't know, but I don't like it. She's rubbing me. There's something weird.
Look
Look out, Tyler. Look out.
Oh God.
Oh. What happened? What is on me?
So this is cool. We got to meet up with Destination Stone here at Malice Manor to go check out their
She
channel.
went kind of backwards.
Alright guys, well that was it for Malice Manor's Summer SLAYcation. Let us know what you thought down in the comments. If you enjoyed this year's version of Summer SLAYcation, I got last year's version for you right here. You are not going to want to miss that one either. I will see you in that video. Until then, stay scary.